turn the cradle just like this. You hear some crunching. You just turn it to that direction. Now you stick in your supplied little Smartkey divot pusher until you hear a click. Now listen. Hear that click? That's good stuff. Now you pull this out. You stick in the key, which it does not work with this. Okay, it does not work, but it will in about 5 seconds. You pull it out. It does not matter which way you turn this cylinder. I can turn it to the left, to the right, does not matter at this point. I turn it either direction, does not matter. And now this little jewel, this key now works perfectly with this cylinder. Thanks a lot, guys. Now, if I wouldn't have pushed, let me get this out of there. If I would have just pushed in halfway, it would have pinned it up for half the key. And that's where everybody's making their mistake, you know, the homeowner, not the locksmith. We know that you have to have this key shoulder, which is this part of the key right here and right there. It has to run into those little divots on the face of the Smartkey. So the shoulder has to be set, pushed all the way in, right against that. But I just repin this, well, really reset this Smartkey in a few seconds. Turn the cradle to the picture. Real simple. I have my little divot pusher. I stick this little beautiful Smartkey cylinder in the cradle. I turn it. Now you notice it's jumping a little bit in there. So I push it. I reset the cylinder. I just leave it in that position. I push this. This is really what's going to make this into a negative zone. It'll accept any key. You heard that click. I pull that out. New key in again. I pull this out. And now I just turn this in any direction. It's set up for this key. In order for all this to work though, I have to have this cylinder out of the door handle.